So of course, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some hot water, and I'm going to use 3 bottles of lavender, and I'm going to add the dye into the water, of course, because this is a water dye method. And I'm going to stir it up using my color brush. I dipped it in there the first time and it wasn't really showing up, so I had to use another bottle. I forgot that lavender is really, really light. So make sure that you brush your color through when you are doing the water dye method, because you're going to see that I missed some patches in there, but because I'm doing this peekaboo method, I kind of got away with it. So now I'm going to separate the bottom of my hair to do my peekaboo, and now I'm going to use this purple rage. So y'all, do not talk about my gloves. Do not talk about my gloves. I was ready to get this over with, and so I was just going to use what I had. So obviously I'm just distributing the color. I actually saw another wig colorist do this on her Instagram. So she applied the dye while the hair was damp. So I just thought that was pretty cool, because I was sick of like blow drying the hair. But anyway, now I'm separating out the skunk stripe. So this is all up to you. In my vision, I had myself wearing a side part, so I just put most of the color on the side. So when I do the side part, the color would be kind of swooped to the other side. So now I'm combing the dye through. So when you're doing any kind of dyeing, make sure that you brush and or comb your color through, because it will not look good. We don't want any patchy dye. So the next thing I'm doing is blow drying and plucking. So I didn't have to do a ton of plucking to this wig. Make sure y'all check out Jim J Beauty on Instagram. I'm going to drop her information, because that's who sent me this wig. And now I'm going to style it. So my hot tool of choice today is my 1-inch barrel curling iron. So y'all know that I cannot curl, so I just wrap the barrel around with the hair flat up against it, so I will yield hot curling iron results with curling wand application. So now I just put some pin curls in it, and now I'm going to use my Eben Wonderlace holding spray. It's kind of like got to be glued, but I just used it as a holding spray because that's all I had. So unfortunately, I will not be installing this wig in this video. You're gonna have to go and watch my drunk frontal install video to see me install it. It's gonna be a whole lot of fun. I have 4K subscribers now, so I guess I'll do another get to know me tag. So you've come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All my social media will be down in the description box, as well as videos that I have uploaded in the past. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.